Hey beautiful people, I am back with a new video. So today I'm gonna try to do that look with the inner eye color pop, but I want to do two colors. I also want to test out the Fenty Beauty foundation because I bought the 430 and it's like very orange. As you can see, my face is not orange. Let's get started. I want to do one purple and one blue. I am going to probably use this purple and this blue. Ooh, I don't know if y'all saw it, but this purple and this blue. All right, I've been doing half a pump more lately. Wait, first of all, let's prep this face with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. That one, I give it a good pump. I love how tacky it feels. Now, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation. No, first, I'm too excited. First, I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Infallible Loose Setting Powder, Translucent Medium Deep. I really wanna go with a light coverage today, so that's why I'm gonna do half a pump. So I'm using the silicone, I don't know what this is called. It's to put the foundation on, but I really don't like it. It's just weird. I just put the foundation on. I just put the foundation on this instead. It's just a little dot. Maybe it won't be enough. I don't know. No. Corrector. I don't feel like I have darker under eyes lately, so maybe because I've been sleeping better. Concealer in number 60, the Maybelline Fit Me. I have a tendency now to like pick at some of my pimples and then it just doesn't look nice. I have to kick that habit. They just get annoying. Is it just me? Ooh, see, just better. One interesting thing that I've seen is that it's better to apply your foundation from the middle of your face so that you don't have that harsh line. You know what line I'm talking about. I think half a pump won't be enough, but this is definitely my color. 420 is my color. I tried the 430 and I looked like a Oompa Loompa. I hope you guys know what an Oompa Loompa is. I guess one pump is gonna have to do. But half a pump of the e.l.f. Flawless Foundation does my whole face and it's super nice. I love applying foundation with this brush. It's the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. So always apply from the middle so you don't have harsh lines and it blends out as you go over the edges of your face. Now I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder. A lot of my Fenty Beauty or higher end makeup products are in the mini format because it costs a lot about it. I like the nutmeg. And then use a powder brush. I am going to use a concealer. Highlighting concealer is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer in the color 410. I think that's enough for today. I'm not gonna do too much. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Brow MVP. Just a brush, okay? I promise this video is not sponsored. And then I'm gonna use my beauty supply store eyebrow pencil. It's just black. I've been liking the black pencil lately because it makes my eyebrows show. But I am going to blend it out, don't worry. To make it like blend more, you just put the spoolie and bring it there. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Brow Drama. It's a sculpting brow mascara. Gonna blend the highlighter out. I'm actually gonna use the color Honey to set the highlighting concealer. Now for sculpting the brows, I'm using the color Fawn. I've really been liking using the Fawn under the brow. They make them stick out a bit more. Blend, I'm using the e.l.f. blending brush. I just bring it down. I'm going to use the color 60 for the top of the brow and the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Now for the eyes, Fenty concealer. I'm gonna bring it a bit here so that it kind of has a base for me to put that pop of color and blend it out. And now I'm going to use the color Honey setting powder and brush it off here. And that's so that the shadow could glide. First, I'm just gonna put a transition color, which is going to be Boutique, with a fluffy brush. And then I'm going in with No Beans. And then I'm going in for the inner corner. Which one was I gonna use? Oh yeah, this one. This one is called Escape. I actually want it to be a bit brighter, so I'm going to look at Single. I really want it to pop though, so I'm gonna go ahead and mix Skip. Oh yeah. And then on the other side, go with that blue, the blue, which is Playground. Okay, it's not popping as much as I want it to pop. Oh, now it is. Just want to blend a little bit. I am gonna put part of like the glitter parts just so that they pop just a little bit. I'm gonna use like a really fine brush with that icy blue, which is called Hello, I believe. Okay, I think I'm done with the eyes. I don't want to go overboard. And now going to highlight with my favorite Matchsticks cinnamon stick. Wait, no. Matchsticks sis. Oh, great. I thought I was gonna be good with it. Matchsticks shimmer skin stick. This is the best I could do in the color cinnamon. I tried. Darn it! Now, my favorite bronzer. Using the bronzing brush by e.l.f. Yes. Okay, going to use Rimmel Scandalize waterproof eyeliner. What I'm going to do actually is use some concealer on my lips for a nude type of look. I don't want to tone it down a bit. And finish it off with the Fenty Gloss Bomb. This one is the Fenty Glow. I have the waffles, something waffles. It's something about me not liking waffles, I think. I'm not a huge fan of it, but you know, that's just me. Almost forgot. All-nighter setting spray, baby. Is the look done? Guess what I forgot? Eyeliner and mascara. Like, where was I going? And you guys didn't even tell me I didn't have the eyeliner on. I'm going with the NYX Epic Ink Liner. And then my favorite, the mascara Snapscara from Maybelline. Now the look is done. Alright you guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye.